Action. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. King K. Yo, what's good, kings and queens? It's your boy Don, and I'm back for another reaction video today. If you're new to the channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button and notification bell ahead. Also, you know, every time I post, you heard, it's free to show love. Thank y'all for the support. If you're not new to the channel, you already know what to do. Go down below, hit that like button. Thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate it. Whatever y'all want me to react to, put it in the comments. I got you, you heard. As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, today we're going to be reacting to man thinks fleeing from the Cobra hunt on dirt bike is a get out of jail free card. This is in Clayton County. The sheriffs had to deal with him. I want to see, I feel like on a dirt bike you could get away. I'm not going to hold you because you could get into areas that they're not going to be able to, I guess. But this is the Cobra unit. So let's see what's different about them, you heard. If you're from Clayco, comment down below, you heard.
For UNC about 1090 from the 82 northbound.
No good on the spike.
110. Pit, stand by.
Well, that's my block. I'm crying. So who we looking for? Who we looking for, you heard? Oh, he said it's a bike. So let's see. Oh, I see him. He right here, y'all. He right here, y'all. Oh, they're already chasing boy. They're already chasing him. Look. Look at the boys. What kind of bike he got? Oh, they're running him over. No, they didn't. What he on? 450?
Towards Fulton. Hold on.
Coming
Turn
below.
on South.
What type of bike he on? I thought it was a Yamaha.
Turn it on Godby.
You are a dirt bike. Turn around. Go the other way.
Towards Fulton.
Where he at? Thank you.
Godry Road. Eastbound back into the county. Blue dirt bike. Black male. Black hoodie.
So they can't hit him. They can just get in front of him. Or bear him somewhere till he falls.
Cobra 1, we're in pursuit of it. Southampton Road. Black man with a black jacket.
Are they on Southampton? I bet.
We're in pursuit of it.
He fell?
Black man with a black
He behind him. Go the other way, Marlon. What's another Yui? Go over there in the dirt. Word. What? Is he teasing him or something? Because I feel like he was a wild flow. Just keep doing. Why he keep slowing down? He blowing on. Take off in that dirt bike. It's a two-stroke though, right? See, if there was a bunch of them, he'd have been Gucci.
Alright, going through 2001 Godby.
Alright, cut through there, y'all. You're supposed to bust a left or right through there.
2001 Godby Road.
This gotta be his first
Coming
chase.
out on 314. Alright, coming back up to Godby Road. Black male, black pants, black hoodie, black helmet.
Yo, what's wrong with him? Oh yeah, that was too slow.
You know about the sheriff, please?
Yeah, that jump about to run out of gas.
Coming up to Norman Drive, still on West Denver Road, speed are 145.
Yeah, it's over with. That jump way too slow. He gotta do more maneuvers if he gonna be on that. Like busting you right there. There it is.
Alright, he just struck a patrol car, so now they got hit and run. Going on.
Bust the U-turn.
Alright, Crest Ridge Drive.
Okay, he can't go. Get on the ground! He's already pounds. Just put the handcuffs on him. Just put the handcuffs.
Put your fucking hands out. Hands out.
You did bad, my boy.
This ain't no game. I don't know where you thought you were.
It's over with.
Get his
Lock
ass
him
up.
He knows
Put him in my
exactly what he got.
Go. I'm sorry.
Damn, with the blicky on his body.
I'm sorry.
Yo. This man is wild.
Hey, MJ, search him really good.
That was it? Yo, my boy must have known a while back. He's like, I'm not getting away. But he knew two things. He driving a dirt bike, so they was going to take the bike and impound it. He was like, maybe I could try to get away to where they won't take it. And my boy got the blicky on his body. So that bike was too slow. It was not getting away too far. And he wasn't hitting the right blocks the right way. Just keep busting U-turns. You might be all right. You might win that way, to be honest with you. Yo, moral of the story is, get a faster dirt bike. A 4-stroke, a 2-stroke might not cut it. Just shot a bit before this, about to go shoot another one right now. I'm going to see y'all there. So beat me there, you are. Peace. Love. Dawn. You know the vibes. DONLILREACTS. Y'all already know what to do. You heard. Hit that subscribe button. Notification bell. Thank y'all for popping out. Peace. Love. Dawn. You know the vibes.